Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 2028. Find missing observations. You have observations of n plus m six-sided dice roll with each face numbered from 1 to 6. So we have given observation, okay. In this observation, n observations are missing and m observations are given in the question. And we have the average or mean value of n plus m observation, and it also given to us, and they have also given us the missing numbers. Okay, how many observations are missing, and we want to return the array of length n containing the missing observation such that the average value of n plus m roll is exactly mean. Okay, if there are multiple valid answers, just return any one of them, or else there is no such solution, then return an empty array. That's what they have given in the question. Let us see what they have stated here. Okay, just observe here. First of all, they have given a m observation. Okay, the remaining of the missing observation, the remaining observation that are not missing, they are in our hands. Okay, now what is the mean of n plus m observation, and what are the values that are missing? Fine. Now if I just included these two observations 6, 6, then my mean becomes what? 4. What is the formula for mean? Okay, just add every elements, okay, or add add observation divided by total number of observations. So what is mean by average? Average is equal to sum of observation divided by the total number of observations. That's it. So this is the average. Fine. And the average will be 4 when I add 6 and 6 to this array. Fine. Now come to the second example, 1, 5, 6. Here the mean is what? 3, and total number of values we want to find is what? 4. Now observe this carefully. When I add 2, 3, 2, 2, then my mean becomes 3. Now this is the important observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and mean is 6, and they are asking n as 4. So missing values are what? 4. Okay. Now just understand this carefully. So we want to add 4, right? If maximum what is the value I can add? It is 6, right? Okay. If I add 6, then what is my total observation? It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, right? So this combinedly will be 24, and this will combinedly what? 10. It will be 34. 34 divided by how many total observations? It is 8. So my mean becomes what? 4.5 only. It is not becoming 6. So I can return there is no possible answer I can get. Just an empty array. That's it. I understand this? Fine. Now my main question is how to convert this problem into a logic. Okay, just understand this carefully. This is the observation they have given, and they have given that there are 5 missing observations, and also the mean as 4. Now the first step we want to do is we want to find the sum of this array. Okay, so it will be 11. Now 11 plus how many values are missing? 5 values are missing. Okay, 5x. Okay, divided by, here there are 4 values, here there are 5 values, so which is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, right? So instead of this I directly write that as 9. So it's equal to, what is the mean? It is 4. Can you understand how I frame this equation? Just see here, sum of this array, the known observation plus unknown observation into x. This x need to be found out. Okay, divided by what is the total number of observation is equal to the mean. Now just cross multiply, it will be 5x is equal to 9, which is equal to 36. Okay, now 5x is equal to 26, x is equal to, so it will be what? 26 divided by 5, right? Okay, fine. Now what is the 26 divided by 5? It will be 5 point, I think so, 25, right? 25 or 20. So 5.2. So whether it is a valid observation? No. Then how we can do it? Okay, that's a simple trick. Just observe carefully. It's quite tricky. I want to split this 26 5 different numbers or 5 numbers such that their total will become what? This 26. So how I can split this 26 into 5 different numbers? Okay, to divide this 26 into 5 different numbers, so such that they will lead to the sum equal to 26 is like just divide by 5. First of all, I will get what? Round value will be what? 5. The integer value, the whole value is 5. Now take this 26 mod 5. What are the remaining value I will get? So remaining value will be what? 1. So from this I can say every 5 value is 5 only. So 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. But only one value having extra value. Okay, so plus 1. So it becomes what? 5, 5, 5, 5 and 6. So just add these all. You will end up with what? This 26. Can you understand this? How we are just taking it? Okay, fine. Now let us go to the next part. See here. Now, how to do this in the coding, right? We just done in a mathematical way. Now we want to do in what? Coding part, right? Okay, how we can do this? First step is to take the sum. Let me take this array again. 1, 5, 2, 3 and mean is what? 4 and n is what? 5. Okay, fine. Now, just see here. What is the sum of this array? Is equal to 11, right? Yes, 11. Okay. Now tell me how we can find this, how we can convert this main equation in terms of x. So this is the main equation, right? How we can convert this in terms of x? I just multiplied this here, right? So I can say, first of all I can say, if I want this epsilon here, other than that all should be in RHS, then how I can frame this equation is such. First of all, this is the mean, right? Okay, take mean into, fine. Now what is this n? This n is a total observation, right? So it will be m plus n, total observation. Okay, now if I take this 11 and move aside, so it will be minus, what is this 11? It is sum, right? It's sum. Okay, just keep this 5x here itself. 5x here itself. So it will be what? 5x, right? Okay. So when I can just return this empty array. So just observe this. Whenever this value is greater than 6 into n, then I can say whatever the value. Okay, if I take the missing values as 6, every missing value is 6, then also I cannot satisfy, right? So I will just return the empty list. Okay, then another condition is if it is less than n. What is mean by this? Okay, let me take an example. This is the observation they have given, and n is equal to 1 and mean is equal to what? Also 1. Then we can get mean is 1. Here itself it is 15. Okay, 15 plus what is the least value I can give? 1 divided by 4. What is the value I will get? Greater than 1 only, right? So for that we are using this condition less than n. Okay, if this value is less than n, then we don't want to go beyond it, right? We just return what? An empty list. Okay, now after finding this equation is valid by checking these two conditions, what should we proceed? We should proceed with mean into m plus n minus s divided by what is the value should be divided by m plus n, and also I want to take a modulo of m plus n and just take these values and add these much. Can you understand this? That's what I have said here itself. For this 26, we want to add 5, 5, 5, 5, and here it will be 5 plus 1 because the mod operation will give what? Remaining value is 1. That's what I have given here also. When I am showing you the coding part, it will be more simple. Okay. Now let us see the coding part. See here. First of all, s is equal to sum of rows and wanted is equal to mean into what is the total number of observation minus the sum. Now, if wanted is greater than 6n, then it means what? It is not sufficient. Or wanted is less than n means what? Even I am applying 1 as a missing value, it is not satisfied. Then I will return what? Just an empty list. Then q is equal to wanted divided by n. Okay. Then remaining value is equal to wanted mod n. Fine. Now result is equal to empty list for I in range of run result dot append of q plus 1. So for remaining value time, I want to append what? Q plus 1, and n minus remaining time, I want to add what? Just q. In that example, I have given 26 divided by 5, right? At that time, I just added what? 5, 5, 5, 5, and then at last 6. That's what I am doing here also. I'm just returning the result. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.